What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the JavaBurn before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the JavaBurn works. What is JavaBurn? JavaBurn is an herbal weight loss formula that comes in the form of sackets of fine powder. It was developed by John Barban, a popular voice in the community of weight loss and metabolism and a health and fitness coach and educator. On the JavaBurn official website, the supplement is called the world's first and only all-natural, proprietary, patent-pending formula that boosts metabolic efficiency. Most weight loss supplements I have come across so far come in the form of pills that are to be taken with water, but JavaBurn fat-burning formula turns the table here. This supplement is supposed to be consumed by mixing in coffee. According to Barban, the JavaBurn weight loss supplement develops nutritional synergy with coffee, and since it is a tasteless powder, the powder is hardly perceptible in the coffee. This will also make the supplement easy to integrate into your daily routine. JavaBurn Ingredients. JavaBurn is crafted from a blend of natural ingredients designed to support weight loss and overall well-being. In this JavaBurn review, we'll explore the key ingredients that make up this dietary supplement. Green tea extract. The compounds in green tea, such as catechins, flavonoids, and caffeine, can give an instant boost to your metabolism which can elevate your energy levels, speed up fat oxidation, and improve insulin activity. It is loaded with antioxidants and the main compound that can stimulate the hormone norepinephrine which promotes fat breakdown. Chromium. Chromium can improve insulin sensitivity which helps the body to efficiently process blood glucose. Studies show that including this element in trace amounts in our diet can help reduce hunger levels and food cravings. L-theanine. When paired with caffeine, L-theanine can improve focus during demanding tasks and relieve stress and anxiety. This can prevent cravings and overeating. Studies also show that this compound can boost immunity, improve sleep, and has anti-obesity properties. L-carnitine. Inside our body, this compound serves the function of carrying fatty acids into the cell's mitochondria, where fat is burned to produce usable energy. L-carnitine will speed up the fat-burning process and muscle recovery. Some studies also suggest that this compound can enhance sports performance and improve brain function. Green coffee bean extract. Compounds in green coffee beans, particularly chlorogenic acid, can help boost metabolism and prevent fat accumulation. Chlorogenic acid regulates the absorption of carbohydrates into the bloodstream and the release of some hormones that cause weight gain. Vitamins D3, B6, and B12. Studies show that vitamin D3 can potentially reduce the formation of new fat cells and suppress the storage of fat molecules in the body, effectively cutting down fat accumulation. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, helps regulate mood by contributing to the release and absorption of hormones like serotonin and dopamine. It also improves brain function and heart health and boosts your immunity. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in fat burning by accelerating the metabolism of fat molecules.